All right, so a couple workouts ago, I reviewed the Gorilla Row and I received this comment and I was still a little confused because I'm a visual learner. I have to see it. And then I went onto Instagram and saw someone doing it and I was like, dang, I was doing that completely wrong. So we're going to try again and we're going to see how we like it. As the comment says, kettlebell is better, but I don't have kettlebell, and if you don't have kettlebell, we're gonna try to use those plates. Shout out to this young lady for leaving a comment, and my bad for not understanding what you're saying. But let's see. So we're gonna use the plates. I'm using 225. And in the last video, I was bent over, but the video I saw, she was like squat down, which makes sense because this is what gorillas do. Duh. Anyways, let's try that. I like it. Ooh, I'm gonna stop right there. Cause my legs are sore. That's something. You can't do this if your legs sore. My quads are burning from leg day, but it feels much different than, and you have more of a foundation stability. So I stand corrected, y'all. In my last video, I was doing it completely wrong. This is different. I'm gonna try to do some more that the amount that I can do with a sore leg. Let me know how y'all like it. See y'all in the next video.